Today we'll see how to use Basic Assert in MUnit 2.0. We'll create a simple Mule project, use runtime 4.2.1. I'll set the project name as Basic Assert and click on Finish. In Mule Palette, let's pull a HTTP listener. It's a basic flow. Let's also pull a set variable. We'll set some variable using this, and let's set a payload as well. Let's set the HTTP listener. We'll add the connector configurations. So I already have the port added, so let's test the connection and it's successful. We'll add the path, so let me set it as assert. Now we'll set a variable over here. Let's keep the variable name as test. Okay, and let us give a value. This is a test variable, yeah. So we'll use double quotes, and then we'll set the payload as the variable. So was dot the variable name test. Let's save the project and let's create a MUnit. So we'll see the flow name. If we have multiple flows, we'll see various flow names over there. So we can select the ones for which we need to create the MUnit. We'll generally have a flow reference to our flow, and we'll have a behavior and validation. So this flow reference will refer to our flow, and if you see the flow name as basic assert flow here. Now let's assert that in validation. So what this does is we'll set the payload and evaluate it if it matches what we have set it in the the variable. So the variable is being called in payload. So in this we will assert that the payload should be equal to this particular string. So we'll set it as payload is, and then we'll set the MUnit tools expression, MUnit tool : and equal to with a capital T, followed by braces, and then inside you can set the string. So basically we are using string matcher to do this. Now let's save this and let's write a message. So payload validated or verified, yeah. Let's run the MUnit suite and we'll see here it'll take some time to run. On the left hand side, if you see the MUnit section, so we have 0 out of 0 runs and 0 error and failures for now. So once the compilation and execution starts, so this will run the test. If you see that test suite is there, and then here our test passed, so we have 0 errors and 0 failures. If we see this, we'll see the test case, and here we can see the report as well. So now let's change the value to something else. So we have a variable which is setting a value to payload. Now in assertion we are checking that it should not be the same, so this test case should fail. Run the test case again. So in this scenario we'll see we'll have one test case which will run, and then it will have one failure, and we'll get the reason why we got the failure. So if you see, it is all 0 now. Once the test is run, see, one run was there and one failure we see over here. So here we have added a not, and then in this payload or variable we don't have a not. So there is a mismatch, so that test case failed. Equal to is a string matcher. Likewise, we have different other matches like co-matchers. In string matches we have other, and then we have comparable matches. We also have iterable and maps matches. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck.